Just in. Unconfirmed reports of an accident at Southland Park.
I can't find my boy!
Hundreds of family members gathered outside the deserted park today to commemorate the
disaster is now up to 40
people,
ordered at least
tragedy.
2/3 of
pending
them
a
children.
full investigation of the park's safety
Authorities
procedures.
report at least 30 deaths and close to 100
5 years
injuries.
since the tragedy closed the gates of Southland Park, but new evidence
is
in the
claiming
form-
malicious prosecution and believes
Says
he'll be
he spent
vindicated
every
at last.
penny of his
The
fortune
so-called
defending
Legal
himself
Eagles
from these
Dream
lawsuits.
Team defending Southland Park owner Joe.
There were people flying everywhere. Body parts.
And the victims'
blood.
families
Oh my
have
God.
vowed to appeal the decision.
Not guilty.
Cleared of all charges.
Come, have a cup of tea, hon. Sitting in the dark won't bring him back, sweetheart.
I would like to place an order.
This training level will introduce to you the various skills and techniques required to effectively undertake the missions ahead.
Welcome to the States, 47. This should be a straightforward operation. We need you to penetrate an abandoned amusement park, locate the owner, and take him out. The target is a Joseph Clarence, also known as Swing King. An accident involving one of the rides at the park a few years back forced him to close it down. Our client has made a special request that the photograph you have in your possession be the last thing the target sees. Mr. Clarence has somehow become involved with a narcotics distribution ring, so the park may still have some amusements. Enjoy the ride, 47.
What the fuck you looking at, cracker?
I'm here to see Joseph Clarence.
Never heard of him.
Mr. Swing King?
Oh, that sorry-ass dickhead. What the fuck they call you?
Names are for friends, so I don't need one.
kill all the motherfucker. Don't you know shit, nigga? Divorce lawyers ain't gonna prosecute your bony black ass. Divorce lawyers don't do shit but fuck a brother over when his bitch run off. Old Swing was married? Who wanna fuck that weasel ass motherfucker? Used to be rich. Hey, what the fuck was that? Let's check it out. Looks okay. The holy fear of God, you hard motherfucker. I don't know. Yeah, sure. Whatever you want. That's good. It doesn't sound sincere, but it's good. Because you're about to be purified, motherfucker. Beautiful. You're gonna burn the grime and the filth.
Help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help me! Help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help! Help me!
I'm out of this shit for good. You let his ass go. We'll kill you.
Help! Help me!
Hey! Yo, hold up! Yo! Alright, motherfucker.
Little help in here, guys! What in the name of God is going on in here?
Gotta check you, white bread. Alright, you cool. What the fuck? Fucking elevator ain't.
I can get the money, sweetie. It's as good as mine already. Mr. Spook's got it. We'll open the park. It'll be like old times. No, just a few more days. You gotta believe me. Don't say that, sunshine. Mr. Spook's gonna come through, baby. He's good for the money. I won't sign the papers. I won't. You gotta give me one more chance. You gotta. Baby cakes? Sunshine? Hello?
Shit, man. motherfucker.
Hey! What's with the lights?
Players, get the fucking lights.
The lights! The lights!
Like they say, the longer they come, the longer they piss.
You ain't gonna win this one, white boy. Oh.
It's been a while now, Scoop, and I was just wondering where we were on the whole money thing.
Were you?
Yeah, see, the thing is, if you remember, you know what we agreed to was it'd just be a short while and you'd pay in cash, and I know what the pressures you are under must be, but the deal is a deal, and I was hoping, maybe you could just pay what we agreed on, even though you've been here for, heck, more than twice as long as we agreed to. But just pay the original amount and move on. Not right away necessarily, but, I'd appreciate it.
No.
fine-looking bitch like you don't need no fancy wrapping, do she?
Depends who's unwrapping me.
God damn, girl. I'd have your fine ass unwrapped before you could say, who's that handsome stud untying my ribbon?
I bet you could. Oops. That's Uncle Joe. Better get back to your post.
Oh! Anybody bring any papers today, Caroline?
No, Uncle Joe.
You sure? You haven't been floating up bum out there all day, have you?
I swear to God, Uncle Joe, no one's come by at all.
Joe, hold up!
Except Dell. And he's not a bum.
Sure he's not. Thanks, Caroline. That's all.
Are you all right?
Yeah, fine. Go on. It's not but baby cakes. Baby, Rachel.
Joe, hold up! Hey! Joe, hold up! Hey! Check. Joe!
That's not true. You know. Who the hell are you? How'd you get in here? Caroline!
My client has hired me to show you this photograph.
I don't understand.
My client has asked me to ensure it's the last thing you ever see. Please, look at the photograph, Mr. Clarence.
No. Please. Haven't I suffered enough? Don't you think I know how much suffering I'm responsible for? I can't sleep. I haven't slept in the guilt I feel. Oh.
Intruder scoop. Some motherfucker busted in on Jay-Z's watch. You know, I don't like uninvited guests. I was gonna bust a cap in his ass scoops.
The name Agent 47 is just a whisper on the lips of the dead. Because if he comes calling for you, you'll never even know. Until it's too late. Then, like a ghost, he'll disappear. A phantom. A legend. But what would happen if the legend was finally exposed as fact, and the cold sights of death are finally aimed on him?